Assalamu alaikum, miss. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, sir. Wait for a minute. Let's everyone join. Akib, you are tired? You are looking so much tired or exhausted?
No, sir.
Ashikur.
Assalamu alaikum, sir, again.
Walaikum salam, sir. Wait for a few minutes. Let's everyone join. After that, we will start, okay?
Yes, sir.
Only you two are here. What's about the other person? Why they are not here?
Sir, they are try to find the link.
I provided this link again. Farhan, are you there? Okay, all of you are here right now, right? Walaikum assalam again. Sir, can you please turn on your camera? I need to take a screenshot.
Kisah.
Tony, can you please turn on your camera? I need to take a screenshot. Tony, are you there?
Okay, sir.
Akib, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please turn on your camera. I need to take a screenshot, sir.
So,
Just a minute. Okay, sir. So this was our slide, right? We solved this question, right? We solved and we practiced the page number 103 from our book, right? So now you have a video about Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Database. Why we need Microsoft Excel and why do we need or why we need Microsoft Access. So this is mainly the differences between the Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Database. So you will have this type of question in your exam that what is the main difference between Microsoft Database and Microsoft Excel. Okay, so please see this video. Wait. My screen is clear to you, sir. Can you hear this sound?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Differences
sir.
between Microsoft Excel versus Access. 15 differences between Microsoft Excel versus Access. Microsoft Excel and Access are data analysis tools, but differ in some criteria. Excel mainly deal with spreadsheets, complex numerical data, creating charts, and Access deal with database program by collecting, sorting, and manipulating data. Both Microsoft softwares manipulate data and have better functions depending on what each user wants to achieve. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for data science empowered videos. 1. Excel is best for analyzing in-depth complex numerical data with formulas, sum if, average, count, max, and mean. Access queries can be used to summarize data and present aggregate values such as sums, averages, and counts. Excel helps in performing sophisticated what-if analysis operations on your data, such as statistical, engineering, and regression analysis. Access does not. You can view charts. 3. You can view charts, graphs, tables, VLOOKUP, pivot table reports in Excel, and view queries, tables, forms, and reports in Microsoft Access. Excel provides more advanced pivot table reporting and charting features than Access. 4. Excel do not need any programming knowledge as Access that need programming knowledge for some parts. 5. Microsoft Excel provides just a read-only connection to SharePoint lists, but Access lets you read from and write data to SharePoint lists. 6. Excel provides only one way to collaborate with multiple users on a SharePoint services site, and Access provides a variety of ways to collaborate with multiple users on a SharePoint site. 7. Both Excel and Access have options for removing duplicate values in a spreadsheet or table. 8. Excel is best for worksheet non-relational data. Our data usually contained in worksheets are also known as flat files. Access is better for managing data, helping you keep it organized, easy to search, and available to multiple simultaneous users. 9. Excel and Access can pull data from each other and various external sources, including from web, Microsoft SQL Server, and analysis services, text files, XML files, ODBC, and OLEDB data sources. 10. Microsoft Excel is mainly used for flat files and non-relational databases, while Access is best for storing relational database. A relational database is a type of data organized into multiple tables where each table is considered flat with one type of data. For example, if a hospital database is created with names of patients stored in one table, whereas patients' names and treatments are stored in separate tables. 11. Excel supports user-level security features. Access does not. It supports the user security model for any database server that it connects to. 12. Both have the ability to compare tables and filter records. 13. While Excel does not use SQL to view data, Access has a variety of ways to view data. Access lets you use structured query language SQL queries to quickly retrieve just the rows and columns of data compared in one table or many tables. 14. Excel does not allow multiple users edit a record at the same time. Access lets multiple users open a single database at the same time, therefore allowing users the ability to edit different records without conflict. 15. Excel does not have same storage capacity as Access, meaning Access can store more data than Excel. Conclusively, Microsoft Excel and Access are great tools for data mining and exploration of structured and unstructured data, which has earned a top spot amongst tools used by analysts. Hey, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more data science videos.
Students, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
So, what do you
Yes, ma'am.
understand about Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Excel? What is the main differences?
Microsoft Excel do not have that enough storage, but Micros
Good.
Microsoft Access had much storage.
Yes. And then, anyone? Anyone can tell me the another differences between the Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access? Ashikur?
Microsoft is
Yes.
do calculating.
Microsoft Excel. So you can perform arithmetic calculation in Microsoft Excel.
Yes,
And,
sir.
and in the Access, what can you do?
We can't calculate.
No, we can calculate in Microsoft Access also. Microsoft Access, you can create a databases in Microsoft, a relational database. What do you mean by relational database? Do you know? Suppose your name is there in the student information. Suppose Ashikur Rahman is one student and your name is there. After that, we also have the another student named Khandokar Akib. Okay. Now, if I want to, or if you want to find your databases, means your father name and your details. So we can create a relationship like student. So like the relationship will be like that. Suppose this is a student. In this student, so in this student database, suppose you have a student, the name of this student I am giving Ashikur, and whenever this is a student name, suppose we have the another student, the name of this another student is Farhan or Akib. So I write down a name, that Farhan. So just a minute. So look at this. So here we have two students, right? One, the name of one, it will be Farhan, sorry. So in the students, we have two students. One student name is Farhan and one student name is Ashikur. Suppose whenever I click on this Farhan, so Farhan databases will be there. Means Farhan's father's name, Farhan's mother's name, and all of the name and all of the details about Farhan. When I click on this Ashikur father's name, Ashikur mother's name, the date of birth of Ashikur, mobile number of Ashikur, all of the details about Ashikur will be there. So that's the meaning. The relationship of your details, means student details, is connected with this student, and the Farhan details is connected with this student. So you two are a student, but your details is connected with you, not with this student. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, student. So here you have the another table. So the table will be like that. Look, this is a table. Okay, so look at this table. Search for all players at the beginner level and search for all players that are not qualified. So how can you search that which one is the qualified candidate for this game and which one is non-candidate, which one is not qualified candidate for this game? How you can search, sir? Suppose this is PowerPoint. So the search style is same for the PowerPoint and Excel. So what you need to do, at first, I will copy all of this details. So if you want, you can type. Okay. So this is the Excel. In this Excel, no, it will not paste like that. You have to paste like that. Suppose name, right? So whenever you want to copy this name, you have to copy the single column. After that, copy this single column name. Look, all the name is there. Okay. After that, now you want to copy the sport level, the level of sports. So what you need to do? You have to copy this column. After that, you need to paste here. So if you want, you can write down one by one, but the shortest of time, we don't have much time. That's why all of the details is copied here. I copied all of the details. Clear? So what was the questions? Search for all players at the beginner level, right?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum assalam, sir. Why you are late?
Sir, link টা মাত্রই পেয়েছি।
Hmm? I given this link
Yes, sir.
more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes ago.
Miss, আমি তো স্যার কিছু
It's okay. Kindly follow this class. Okay, so student's name is there. So what we need to find? What do we need to find? Students, can you please tell me?
Beginner level.
Beginner level, right? So at first, we need to copy the level. So level is given there, beginner level, right? So just copy this text from here. And what you can do, you can click here, find and select, find. So you can find by column, you can find by row, right? So sheet, search for by column. Okay. So just paste this name here. Look, tennis beginner level. So tennis beginner level is there. So this is the sheet 1. Then the sheet 1, my screen is clear. You can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, sheet 1, Look, tennis beginner level. What is the cell? Cell number is given there. Okay. So the another tennis beginner level is given there. So how many tennis beginner level is there? One tennis beginner level, two. After that, three. Look, three tennis beginner level is here. One tennis beginner level, two tennis beginner level, three tennis beginner level, right? So whenever you want to search, at first you need to copy the name like that, beginner level. After that, from search, you can choose by column or by row. But look at this. This is given in the column, right? This is not in the row. This is in the row, but this is given in the column. So if this is given in the column, so you can search by column, then it will be better. If you want, you can also search by row. Okay, check, find all. Look, by row, this one is given also. So you can choose any one of this part. You can choose column or you can choose row. Okay. So look for the values. You also, if you want, you can also look for the values if you have values. But here we don't have any values, right? So go to the question again.
Yes.
I'm going to this question again. Search for all players that are not qualified. So we need to do these things again. We need to write down qualified here. Find out. Look, how many qualified is there? You can find out. One, two, three. Three qualified. Three qualified is given there. Number 4 qualified, number 5 qualified, number 6 qualified. But look something here that the not qualified is also given there. What we need to search? We need to only search the qualified. So you can search by column also. Find out. Find next. The column of qualified and non-qualified, all of this is given there, right?
Yes, sir.
So the comment wise search is not working here. Okay. So by using these things, you can search all the text or all the table. So this is the formula of search here. So what is the short? You can short here, means filter. Okay, what is the filter? Qualified and non-qualified. Now you want to select only qualified or non-qualified, right? So qualified. If
Yes.
you select this qualified, only the qualified students are there. Qualified, sorry, this is not the qualified students. The qualified player is given there, right? So from here, you can also choose
Yes.
non-qualified. Okay, so non-qualified is given there. So in this table, you have 3 qualified and 3 non-qualified students. Oh, sorry, qualified player. Got it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so already we have already done this question, and after that, only this question is left. So from first, we need to look at this question. Pretend that you are a data architect. So you can manage or you can design data. Now you know that how to manage or design data, right? Your job is to collect data from your classmate and design and create a table to store the data. Walk around the class and collect the following data from 5 students. So if you want to collect the data, what do you need? You need the name of the students, and you also need the age of student, right? And the student date of birth, means DOB, the date of birth of the students, and the favorite color of the students, and also the student's eye color. So how many column will be there? Students, can you please tell me? 1, 2 column, 3, 4 column,
5.
5 column. Okay. So here the example is given, right? Whenever you can choose the eye color will be like that: light brown, dark brown, green, etc. Okay,
Blue.
a blue is not given there. You have to choose from this example. Clear, sir?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Blue eyes people available, but the example is given here. So you have to choose from this example. Okay, so look at this table. Sorry. So look, hazel is not given there. Without that, light brown is given there. But they write down here hazel. So you can write down here green again. So can you make this type of table? Look at this table. Student name from student. This is the
Yes.
name of the student. So student name is there, right? Look again, student's date of birth. Student date of birth is given there, right? After that, age of the student. The age of the student is given there. After that, student eye color. Here is the eye color, right? After that, favorite color. Student's favorite color, this, right? So favorite color is given there. Okay. So how many columns right now you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns. So the question number A is done. You have already done question number A. Design and create table to store the data above in database. So you can save this also in database. How can you save? You have to just copy and paste all of this part. Just copy from here, copy. After that, go to this Excel again. Look, this is the table, right? So what was the question,
Yeah.
sir? No, this is not. This is. So A number done, design and create a table to store data above in a database. After that, number B, complete the table with the field attributes. Use the information from this table. So can you please tell me that what will be the attributes or means the data types? Data types is given there, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the data types for student? Name?
Short text.
Yes. So in this row, we will write something about data type. In the YOLO row, okay? So data type, it will be of it will be short text, right? And what will be this one? Age. What types of data type is this? Number, right? And what types of data type is this, sir? Student, can you please tell me what types of data is this? What types of data is this?
Short.
Farhan, are you there? What types of data is this? Eye color?
Short.
Short text, right? After that, date of birth. What types of data is this? Date, right? And okay, students, how many minutes left?
9 minutes.
My screen is visible.
No, sir.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Maybe I have a problem with this internet. That's why network issue actually I have. So date of birth, what types of data is this? Date and the favorite color. What types of data is this? Also short text. Students, do you get it? Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So we solved this question number 1 from A to question number B, right? And in the question number C, so look at this question number C. Enter the data you collected in a spreadsheet. So we have already collected all of the spreadsheet data. Before you entering data, use the information from the question 1A to create field names and set the data types. So we already created the field name. So this will be the field name. So our question number 1, A, B, C is already done. Clear? So in this question,
Yes, sir.
in the question number 2, search for all the students with the eye color shade. Eye color are brown in shade. So can you select these things brown? How can you select? Eye color. So you have to go there, right? After go there, what you can do? You have to search like that. Brown. So look, the brown eye color is there. So by using this, you can search like that. After that, narrow your search to find all the students with light brown eyes. So like that, you have to write down brown eyes, and you can search like that. How many students have light brown eyes? So can you use the search? Can you use this search like that from question number 2A to 2C?
Yes, sir.
Question number 2 is clear for you? So you have to just click the find options. After that, the word, and you need to search for the keyword is given. Suppose light brown, here is the keyword. Here the brown is the keyword. And here light brown eyes is the keyword. So you have to search for this keyword. Okay. So number 3, discuss in your group, are there any industries or organization besides health, manufacturing, and retail that use data to help to solve problems? If so, state one other industry and organization, state what types of data they will have, they will use, explain how they can use the data to help to solve problem. Okay. So if I need to solve this question number 3, the health industry used the data to solve many problems. So the question number, the answer of this question number 3A will be this one. Question number is given. This is the wrong question number. It will be, sorry, this is not. This is. So where we can use the data, discuss grouping, the organization, health, manufacturing, retail that use data to help solve their problem. So we use this data in the patient care, means in the hospital, and for the disease prevention. So it will be on the hospitals also. So you can write down here hospital or diagnosis center. So it will be same like that, hospital and diagnostic center. So if they want this type of explanation for you, that how data is used in each care. So in the patient care, doctors and nurses use to health record, right? So doctors need to the diagnosis report. So what will be the medicine, or what suggestive medicine he needs to suggest for the patient. And for the disease prevention means what is the situation of this patient right now, or how the doctor can treat. Clear, student? Do you get it?
Yes.
So the last number explain how they can use the data to help them to solve a problem. So this will be like that. The health industry uses data to solve many problems. Like one example of data can be used by doctors for medical research in patient health records. So if you want to know about a patient, that what is his condition right now, so you have to check all the diagnosis report. So this is something about patient health records. After that, which can include information like medical history. So this data is needed for medical history, and also for test results and symptoms. Symptom means the patient has diabetes, so this is one kind of symptom. The patient had allergy, this is one kind of symptom. The patient has a serious headache, so this is one kind of symptoms. Okay, so lifestyle factors means what is the food habit of this patient. So this is the lifestyle factors. Do you get it, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you. How many minutes left? Only 1 minute left. So now you can disconnect yourself. The record will be given in the classroom. So practice all the video records and all the class record and slides. Okay. And try to upload this worksheet. If you have done with this worksheet, please upload this worksheet. Then it will be better for your exam. Okay. So if you upload this worksheet in time, then your exam will be better, inshallah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, student. Allah Hafiz. Now you can disconnect yourself.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Allah Hafiz. Yeah.